Helios 44.2. But now it's the Pixelvalve 44.2. Maybe I should move that up a little bit, actually. It's probably better, isn't it? So, what you're going to get is 3 parts, pretty much just 3 parts. It's this thing, and 2 of these. And all you need to do really is connect them together. You know, clamp them together around the sides there with some screws, which I'll supply. And that's how easy it is. This is a really easy lens to work on. There are 3 screws around here. Tiny little screws, by the way. You just remove them or open them. Then there's 3 more on the inside. And that's it, really. Now, this is the next version. So I've gone through one prototype, and this is the next prototype. It's been on my lens for a bit, and I've taken a few shots, and I've looked into it and messed with it for a little bit, and I wasn't really happy with it. It all works, you know, everything works fine. It's just that I think that it needs to be a little bit tighter. I think it's slightly loose around here, so when you're focusing, it kind of clunks a little bit. You can feel it, and I don't like that, so I'm tightening it up, and I'm going to do a little bit more before I release it, and that's where I'm up to. So for anyone who's just wondering where on earth these Helios lenses are and why they're not for sale yet, and what on earth I'm doing, well, that's why. I just need a little bit of time to tweak these a little bit more, and it's almost there. I'm also enjoying using it because one of the great things about developing and designing your own stuff is that you get to test it. And, you know, I'm walking around with this thing on my camera thinking, haha, I'm the only one in the world with Helios on a Nikon. Amazing. Wow. Superpower. Yeah. And I feel great. I feel like an elite or something, you know. It's kind of gives me a buzz for a while, but then it wears off. And I think, oh, I'm so annoyed. That's a bit clunky. But I'm only joking. It's nice to enjoy using this on the camera, but it's come to that time of year where it's wet, it's cold, and the enthusiasm for photography has kind of waned a little bit now. So I don't do this as much as I used to. I'm still working on it, I'm still developing it, and it's only been a few weeks since I've really made some modifications to this, but it's still in development. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say it's still being worked on, because when I come to sell these and you get to receive them, you know, you want to make sure that it's been tested, it's been thoroughly sort of tested on a camera before you try it out, because you don't want to be a guinea pig, do you? Now these, the other Carl Zeiss ones, they were thoroughly tested too. I made sure I spent quite a long time enjoying each one of them, and I'm enjoying this one now at the moment. So it's a very nice lens. In actual fact, I can't wait to get another Helios to compare this Helios to another one to see if it's exactly the same. But that should work on all of them as far as I'm aware. But if you know of any lens that isn't the same as this, if you find that there's a Helios that, or a version that isn't quite the same, then let me know. But I think this adapter should work for pretty much all of these M42 ones. Anyway, that's where I'm up to, that's what I'm doing. Like, share, subscribe, and leave comments below, of course, because if you have any input or anything like that, or anything that I've missed, you know, or things that I could add, then I'm always really happy and grateful to hear from you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.